Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So for the longest time you guys have been asking me to do an updated curly hair routine because my curls have gotten so much better over the last month. I would say over the last year. I've really learned a lot about my curls, and just a disclaimer, what works for me might not work for you. I've done a lot of research, a lot of reading and understanding my curl type, my curl pattern. I'll leave a link down below where it explains the curl patterns and things like that. And once you understand your curl pattern, that's when you'll be able to understand what kind of products work for you. And also it's really important to try different methods. I used to towel dry my hair as soon as I come out of the shower and then go in with my products. But I have found, as you'll see in the video, that doing it on soaking wet, drenched hair is much better for my hair type. But again, this is something that I've trial and errored. Like literally, I have had some weeks where I have amazing curls and then I have other weeks where my curls are not as cute. I feel like it's still very much a journey and my products still do change all the time. Sometimes I add new things in, sometimes I take things out, but at the moment these are like staple products that I'm loving. If you also want me to do a video just on products I love for curly hair, more than happy to do that for you, because it's really impossible for me to show you every single product that I have in a curly hair routine. Like, it's just too much. So if you want me to share my favorite curly hair products with you, then let me know in the comment section. But for now, give this video a thumbs up if you want to see more to do with hair. Don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss out on any of my upcoming videos. And yeah, enjoy the curly hair routine. Okay, first up, I'm out of the shower. I've already washed my hair using the Aveda Nutri Plenish shampoo and conditioner. It's really nice and hydrating. So I'm also using this spray-on leave-in conditioner from the same range. I really love it for hydrating my hair. So I just spray it in and then rake it through my hair. Then I like to use a Denman brush while my hair is upside down, just to kind of, just brush through my hair really. And as you can see, I kind of brush out. I just want to detangle my hair before styling it and just make sure all that leave-in conditioner we've put in is distributed well. So I go in with this Cantu curl cream. This is super hydrating and I scrunch this into the hair. So no raking or anything like that, just only scrunching this into the hair. Then I'll go in with this Bounce curl gel and I'll take a little bit of this and just again scrunch this into the hair. This is going to give our curls more hold and definition, and I really love this kind of curl gel, and you don't need a lot of it at all. It's super lightweight as well. I make sure I kind of flick my head side to side, keeping it upside down as well. Just want to cover all of my hair strands. Then I'm going in with this Miss Jessie's Honey Curl Cream, and I love this stuff. It's actually really thick and it smells amazing. But yeah, I just take, I don't know, like a coin size amount, and I scrunch this again throughout my hair. Now this is going to give our hair extra hold with our curls, and I don't know what this does, but it just is so good for my curls. It gives me so much definition. It is quite a heavy product, so yeah, just be careful with how much you go in with, but I personally really love this product, and I feel like I can't go without it anymore. So yeah, turning my head side to side, upside down, making sure everything is scrunched into my hair really well. And then it's time to blow dry my hair. So I just take my hairdryer and it's on like a medium setting, like medium speed and medium heat. You don't want to go in with anything too hot. I always just like to start with the kind of ends of my hair first, and I'll just like grab chunks of it and hold it into the kind of cup of the diffuser cup, whatever it's called, and then I'll do that classic going up and down kind of motion that you do with all curly hair. And then after I've dried most of it, that's when I'll go into the roots. At this point I get a little bit impatient, so I start kind of like fluffing it around, but don't do that, it's just going to cause you more frizz. Make sure to get the back of your hair. I'll just keep going up and down with the ends. I'll hold it at the roots, basically scrunch away at the same time as well. I'll just keep scrunching my hair as I
blow dry it really. And the roots are the last thing I'll get into, and I do kind of fluff it at the roots just because I feel like I don't want them to look really flat on my head, which yeah, I want lots of volume, so I make sure I get right in there. So once most of my hair is dry, I'll just flick it back, and this is where you can kind of see where you need to dry it, diffuse it a little bit more. So this is when I'll go in side to side, I'll keep my head up a little bit, just keep moving your head, keep moving your hair. Try not to touch your curls too much. I mean, I'm just scrunching, especially the areas that I feel are still a little bit damp, just because I want to reinforce the curl a little bit. Once it's all dry, I'll go in with like it's kind of like an afro pick, hair pick, and I'll just kind of pull out the roots again to make sure I've got volume, and just to fluff the hair up at the roots, make sure nothing is sitting flat on my head, because that can tend to happen. But this right here is my finished result for my curly hair routine. This is actually after a couple of hours, and I always feel like my curls settle a bit better after a couple of hours. But I really love the definition I'm getting at the moment, and yeah, I'm loving my routine. So give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it, comment down below with any of your favorite products, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Thank you so much for watching. Mwah. Bye.